MamaBo&Lanna. So today I'm gonna make vegetable stock. So you have leek and celery.
Actually, the right hand is the celery and the left hand is leek.
You have celery and leek, and you're gonna put what is this called?
Bay leaf,
corn chili,
peppercorn.
peppercorn, and thyme.
Is that thyme from our gardens?
Yes, it came from out there. It's been there a long time.
That's good. So shall we do it now?
Now I will introduce my assistant, my daddy.
How many bay leaves?
5 bay leaves. We're gonna add 5 bay leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I have 5 bay leaves here. I'm gonna add it to the pot. Now I'm gonna add this corn chili.
Those are peppercorns.
Peppercorn, 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
Here.
Good enough.
And now we're gonna add the thyme. Now we're gonna put the water in, and we're gonna put it on the oven for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna put the water in the pot. Now we're gonna turn on the oven for 30 minutes.
Push in. Head. Put my hand.
I'm gonna put the lid on.
How long you gonna leave it on the oven?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Set.
Now we're gonna come back when we're ready. Bye.